100 Top Persian Phrases Part 8. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have part 8 of 100 top Persian phrases, and if you didn't watch the last parts, you can find them in the description, and also you can go to the channel on the playlist 100 top Persian phrases and watch the parts that you want to review or you didn't watch them at all. So this is the part 8. Let's start it together. 81. صبر کن. صبر کن. صبر کن. Wait. We say صبر کن. صبر کن. Maybe we omit the letter R. So when we speak fast, when a native speaker speaks fast, you won't hear the letter R in صبر کن. صبر کن. 82. بذار ببینم. بذار ببینم. بذار ببینم. Let me see. You can use this phrase just like in English. Let me see. Sometimes when you are thinking, you can say, let me see. بذار ببینم. Or sometimes you want to see something and you ask your friend, بذار ببینم. Let me see. Because you want to see it. So the usage is just like in English. 83. چنده. چنده. How much is it? Do you know another synonym for this phrase to ask the cost of something in Persian? Instead of چنده, you can use another sentence also. If you know, write in comments for me. 84. عجله نکن. عجله نکن. عجله نکن. Don't hurry. 85. مبارکه. 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 Congratulations. When your friend gets married or buy a new house, buy a new car, or anything else, you just can say مبارکه. 86. دوست دارم. دوست دارم. دوست دارم means I love you. Literally, it means I like you. Okay, but in Persian, we use this phrase to say I love you. And one more thing. We write it دوستت دارم. You can see two letter T here. دوستت or دوستت دارم. But it's very formal. In spoken, no one says دوستت or دوستت دارم. We usually omit the first letter T and we say دوست. دوست. Okay. We write two T, but we pronounce one T. I mean T, not T. So, دوست دارم. دوست دارم. 87. خوشحال میشم. خوشحال میشم. خوشحال میشم. I'd be happy. You can use this phrase before another sentence. For example, you can say خوشحال میشم کمکتون کنم. I would be happy to help you. خوشحال میشم, I would be happy, and the rest of the sentence. 88. بعیده. 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 It's unlikely. Use this phrase to say you don't think that something will happen. And you can say بعیده. I don't think so. Another phrases that you can use to show the same meaning. Do you know? If you know, write it in comment. 89. بعداً میبینمت. بعداً میبینمت. See you later. Maybe you can see the letter Aleph with a tanween. This symbol is tanween. It is named tanween, and Tanween comes from Arabic language and it doesn't use very much in Persian, but you have to pronounce it like n, ba'dan. That tanween, change the pronunciation to n. 90. Gamun nakona. Gamun nakona. Gamun nakona. Gamun nakona. I don't think so. Gamun nakonam, ba'ide. Both are using the same when you don't think so that something will happen or someone do something. Just say gamun nakonam, ba'ide. And we have another phrase also that is very common and I'm sure that you know it. Write it in comment. It's a literal translation of I don't think so, It's very easy. I gave you a hint. Okay guys, that was the part 8 of 100 top Persian phrases. And then if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, just write them in comments for me. I will answer you as soon as possible. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.